How to get Apple Music on Firestick. So can you stream Apple Music on Firestick? You can't stream Apple Music directly on Firestick because there's no Apple Music app from Amazon's Fire TV. There is an Apple Music skill for Alexa though, and Alexa is capable of streaming music to a variety of devices, including Fire TV devices. So first, open the Alexa app on your phone, tap More and tap Skills and Games, tap the magnifying glass icon, and then after that, go ahead and type Apple Music, tap Apple Music in the search results and enable it. And then after this, tap Settings, tap Link Account, and if prompted, select a web browser. Now enter your Apple ID, your Apple account and password, obtain a two-factor code from your Apple device and enter it when prompted. Tap Allow and close. And then now you can use Alexa to stream Apple Music on your Fire TV devices.